Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how you can make $25,000 to $30,000 for free. Literally by copying and pasting links. And you can do it from anywhere in the world. You can make money in PayPal Cash or in Bitcoin or direct bank deposit. All kinds of options are open. And this method is completely free. But another thing, which is the best part, that it is scalable. So you can do it at scale, a lot, and make a lot of money. You can make as much money as you want. The more you copy and paste, the more money you can make. And I will be sharing with you 3-step method, step by step throughout this video. And I want you to stick to the end of the video, watch every steps and don't miss a single point, because if you miss, maybe you will fail in this method. Are we ready to do it? Let's do this! Before we move forward, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. This way you will never miss our upcoming contents. They will be money making methods and they will also come with special bonuses every single time. Oh, by the way, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, as this way you help them learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. And they will love you more, they will follow you, and maybe eventually they will buy from you, do whatever you want from them. So all done? Let's move forward. Before we begin, let me introduce myself to you. I already told you my name is Mosh Bari. And I run a 7-figure per year software company. What does my company do? My company creates softwares that help people make money online. So I'll give you an example. Everybody needs hosting server, but hosting servers are expensive. You must pay monthly or annual recurring fees to afford a hosting server, whether you make money from your website or not. But my company gives you a hosting server at a one-time price, and you can host unlimited websites in that. Sounds cool? I will leave a link in the description. My company also created a video creation software, which is one of the best sellers. It has AI in it, and I will show you that in a moment, and it will come to you for free. So stay tuned till the end of the video, because all these are so important to make real money in this system starting today. Back when I started looking for opportunities to make money online back in 2010, I looked at everything. I started searching for opportunities on YouTube. I read forum posts after posts, literally hundreds of posts. I read articles and I looked for shortcuts to make money. And I tried those shortcuts. Some of them worked, some of them failed, but none of them gave me a sustainable income from the internet before I realized a 2-step secret. 2-step secret. There are only 2 things on the internet that you need to do in order to make a sustainable business or a sustainable income system online. Whether you want it as a business or just a side hustle as a freelancer or whatever you want with it, if you want it to be sustainable, you need these 2 things, and in this video, I will share these 2 things with you. I told you about 2 secrets. Secret number 1, give people what they want right now. That's important. Give people what they want right now. Don't think about their need. You think about their want. They want to buy something, sell them. They want to get something free, give them. But give them right now. What they want right now. Right now is important. And if you want to sell, then you need to give them something better, cheaper, faster. So an example is, if you want to sell this phone to your customers, whoever your customer is, you can sell and make money fast, easy, right now, if they want it right now. And if you can give them better, if your phone is better or give them better results at a cheaper price, and it will work faster. So in my opinion, giving cheaper means loss. So focus on better and faster. Now, don't worry about it. We're not going to sell a phone today. We're going to do something completely free. And for that, we will be using my AI software, and that will be free for my YouTube viewers. Links will be in the description. Go get that software anytime and implement in this method. 3-step process. So we are going to give people what they want. Now we are looking at a video. This video says Microsoft just killed Zuck's metaverse. Where do I learn from this? I didn't know. I was just browsing around on YouTube looking for a video to watch and have some fun, and I found this video, and this got 1.3 million views in 6 days. So I know it's a burning topic. It is something that people are looking for right now. People are reading or enjoying that somebody crushed someone. Negative emotion, but people are emotional negatively. So let's go to Google and find Microsoft versus Metaverse, Microsoft versus Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates versus etc. You know it. What I found is this and this article, and these articles are awesome. They explain you what is Metaverse and what measure Microsoft took against it, or what is Microsoft doing that is actually killing Metaverse, something like that. Another article, free article from Google, right? I learned it from YouTube. I'm searching on Google. So the battle to control the Metaverse, Microsoft versus Meta. And it's an awesome article. You should read it even for your entertainment. The moment you are entertained, take notes just like me. I'm taking notes before I shoot these videos so I can stick to the point and make the video short and punchy to the point so it is useful to my viewers. Similarly, you should take some notes either here or digitally on any Google Doc. Take the main information that you are going to talk about. Now, you are not going to talk about, but they will be useful to you. Now come back to this video. This video has got 1.3 million views in 6 days, which means this video is so good, people are watching it for a long time. And that is why YouTube is also pushing this video to their more and more viewers, which means the information in this video is also good. Go watch this video. Okay, by the way, John Coogan, I liked his videos. Go ahead, check out his channel at any time and look for information like this. Super cool. By the way, John Coogan creates awesome videos, very informative and entertaining. If you are keen, go anytime, check out his videos. Now back to $30,000 a month. We will come back to how in a moment, but before that, let us check how much money John Coogan's channel makes from YouTube AdSense alone. So when YouTube runs ads on this channel, they earn money for running those. This channel earns money from YouTube. This is the approximate amount. Let's say $8,000 per month. Now this is only completely passive income because YouTube runs ads on these videos. You are going to 3x this income, and I will show you how. So in this method, our best friends will be YouTube and Google. So you learn what's happening on YouTube, and then you go to Google and get more information. Take notes, take a little bit of time because you're going to make $30,000 a month. And the actual AI tool you're going to use is so easy that you don't need any technical knowledge or experience, and that is why you should put more time on this research work. It's a bit boring, but it's awesome. It makes your life super easy. So now go to Google every single day and then look for Google Trends and try to understand what is hot today, what is coming up next, and then read articles about the topic, and then check videos on YouTube how the top or the most popular videos are built, in which format, which information they are giving at which point of time, and then prepare yourself for using the AI software. It's linked in the description and it's free. When you did your research and you took notes, basically your job is done. Now you're going to use this application. It's free, link in the description. And a 1-minute demo is also there. In that demo, you will learn everything about how to use this software. If you want to fetch any image, screenshot or anything, you can fetch in multiple ways. Upload from your hard drive, or just copy and paste the image URL and the image will be imported straight to your canvas. Or you can get images from Pixabay right here. If you want to add text from here, do your desired formatting from here. And if you want to use the AI or the artificial intelligence to rewrite a text for you, this is your place. Go and click text generator, copy any text. When you click save, it will rewrite in a new format, completely new and unique text. The text will be here, and once you click the add text, the text will be added to the clip. Video and images work in a similar way. You can fetch or import videos from outside. For audios, which is the most awesome part, like I am speaking in my videos, you don't need to speak if you don't want to. In case you have a voice recording or a music recording, you can upload from here. You can use your own microphone if you choose to, using this button. And this is the best part. If you have the text ready, then click add, give it a title, select either standard or wavenet, and voice type male or female, and then paste your text here. The software will generate natural voiceover for you without you speaking. Good? Awesome? Now this is for one bite-sized video. You can add one image, one text, or one video, or one voiceover, or longer, however, whatever you choose. And you can make multiple bite-sized videos like this. And finally, when you are done and you are happy, click render and your video will be rendered in the cloud. Then you can clone this campaign, you can play it, you can upload it to Amazon Dropbox or Google Drive. You can share the video directly to YouTube or Vimeo. You can download it to your hard drive, or you can delete if you want. So your video is ready. What I meant to say, when you make videos, YouTube pays you money. All the information comes free, and your actual hard work will be done by the Epic AI software. Link in the description is free, and go get it. Now that money was from YouTube alone, completely passive. You're not gonna do anything. You're not asking anyone to buy anything. Super simple. Now if you want to make 3 times more money, here is the way. Solve problems that people are spending money for. Example, I already told you about the hosting server solution. You can make money from my offers. We are paying 50% to people who are referring other users to us. And it's super easy using YouTube and videos. Of course, you want to create a website, that would be super awesome. But if you don't want, you want to take YouTube as the shortcut, or Instagram Reel as the shortcut, or TikTok as a shortcut, go for it. For this, you want to go to warriorplus.com and create your free affiliate account. Then go to offers, use the keyword HOSTZPRESSO, host Zpresso, and hit enter. You see, when affiliates are sending 1 click or 1 visitor to these offers, they're making $2.44. We are making more than $5 promoting our own offer. All you need to do is to click this button here. In your case, it will be a request button. Click that request button. It will ask you how you're going to promote this offer, etc. Put a note that you're going to promote using YouTube and review videos. Then we will approve you immediately. Once you're approved, this will be your affiliate link. Copy this link and share this link with your audience. So when you shoot videos, ask your audience to go to the description and click the link to go to this offer in order to get hosting servers at a one-time price. On the average, every person or every click you send to this offer, you will make $2.44 at the moment, and it's rising all the time, but this is what you're going to make. If you send 1,000 viewers or 1,000 visitors, you'll make $2,440. Super easy. And if you can send 1,000 viewers per day, then in 30 days, it will be $73,200. That's more than double to $30,000 a month. So go ahead, use your best friends Google and YouTube. Use Epic, link in the description. Make videos that will help people who need internet type of solution, hosting server kind of solution, and offer them to buy Host Zpresso and enjoy making money. Did you like this video so far? It came with step-by-step process using free systems and information, and my premium software free, and even an opportunity to make money without a product, without website, using YouTube AdSense and affiliate marketing. Super cool. I hope you loved this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way we will notify you when we will upload our next video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. This way you help them learn how to make money online as well. And we will see you in the next video.